Now I finally understand how insane the cornering limits are at the Isle of Man TT. Millimeter perfect cornering like this is just a basic entry-level maneuver for them. The riders manage to find the precise racing line through almost every single turn. As we know, the Isle of Man TT is a devil of a course. 60 kilometers of island roads feature over 200 turns and a 400-meter elevation change, while the motorcycles reach speeds exceeding 330 kilometers per hour. It must be said, the 16-minute record is built on countless brushes with death. So, on the Isle of Man TT circuit, every rider is a warrior. Anyone who dares to enter is a champion in their own right.